Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about another very useful formula, that is coup days. This coup days is used in the bonds calculation, and this formula gives us the number of days between the start of the coupon period to the settlement date. The syntax of this formula has been given here, and now let us try to understand it by an example. Assume that ABC company is there and they have issued a bond, floated a bond in the market. The issue date of the bond is 1st of May 2021. Settlement date of bond is 14 June 2021. Settlement date is the date when the investor has taken the possession of the security. So even though the security is issued on 1st May 2021, but actually the possession has been given to investor on 14 June 2021. So this coup days BS, as the name suggests, is coupon before settlement. So it gives us the number of days in between these two periods, in between these 2 days, for which the interest has to be paid to the present investor, because he has already subscribed from the issue date. Now the maturity date is the date when the bond is finally going to be mature, and the company which has raised the funds is going to return the principal and along with the accrued interest to the investor. Then the year, that is the period between 1st May 21 to 1st May 2025. So this bond has going to run for 4 years. Then coupon is nothing but the interest which is paid by the bond issuer in between the issue date to the maturity date, as it is a debt. So when any company raise a debt, they are obliged to pay interest. So that interest payment is termed as coupon in case of bonds. And this interest can be paid at different frequency. It could be your yearly, it could be half yearly, it could be quarterly, depending upon the agreed terms. So, and then the basis is we can say the basis is depending upon in which market the security is being traded and which market it is being issued. Accordingly, the day convention has been taken into consideration. Like example, in US we assume the 360-day convention, and we assume that every month has only 30 days. So even though some months have 29 days, some months have 30 days, some months have 31 days, but in bond calculation, if it is a US convention, then we take 30 by 360 as a basis for bond calculation. Similarly, in India, we can also take actual by 365. So these are the what we can say, the numbers which we need to put into this one for the respective basis. Now let us try to put the formula here. So equals to, go to the FX tab, select the COUPDAYBS, then the settlement date. First we have to put the settlement date, so that I have chosen 14 June 2021. Maturity date is 1st May 2025. Frequency is half yearly. Basis is actual by 365. Now you might have witnessed that in this entire formula there is no mention of issue date. So that is the fun part, that this formula gives us the period between the start of coupon to the settlement date without even looking at the issue date. Then I press it and we get the answer of 44. Now this answer can be checked from here also if we go by finding out the difference between these 2 days, this minus this, so 44 days. So this formula is working very effectively, and without even looking at the issue date, we can find out what are the number of days are there between the coupon start date to the settlement date. Thanks for watching my channel. We'll come back again with another fresh video.